I mean, for me, obviously, just go out, work hard. This is the easy part out on the field. This is what I love to do. All the other stuff off the field, I don't really think about it. Just go out, work hard for the team. You know, put myself and put the team in a good position to win and do the right things. And today it was my lucky number, so scored a couple goals today.
But today's not the only day that's happened. I mean, you play on a position where you're most of the time playing for the team, and all of a sudden you see yourself at the top of the leading scorers. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, that is not a normal position for me. Not throughout my career for sure. I mean, I think all of us are just buying into the game plan. You know, getting ourselves high up the pitch. Obviously, we play in such a way. Tobin, Alex, and I are very high up the pitch. They want us to be the ones in the goal box, getting in, and we have such great service from all of us up there. So we just get in and hope for the best. Obviously, Tobin made a fantastic run and played a great cut ball. Everyone had kind of collapsed in on the near post, and I was just waiting back there for it.
No lo olvides, hay muchos más videos en nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes. Suscríbete aquí.